Hello and thank you for joining us as we take a look at the 2022 gold-proof Platinum Jubilee 50p coin from the Royal Mint. As part of Her Majesty's Platinum Jubilee, the Royal Mint have issued this commemorative 50p coin. This is actually the first 50p struck by the Mint to celebrate a royal event. The obverse design shows the Queen on horseback, which is a throwback to Edgar Fuller's design on the 1953 coronation crown. This modernised version comes from John Bergdahl. The reverse shows design agency Osborne Ross's simple design of a number 70 with the royal cipher and the years of the Queen's reign, 1952 to 2022. This design will also be shown on circulation 50p coins. Struck in 22 carat or 0.917 fine gold, these coins have a limited edition presentation of just 400. Don't forget to check our website for prices, availability and see the rest of the 2022 Platinum Jubilee series. Thank you for watching. For more information on these coins, please sign up to our mailing list by clicking the links below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and TikTok.